In this session, we'll discuss about functions. Functions are a fundamental part of Python programming. They help us to organize code. They improve readability and avoid repetition. They allow us to encapsulate a piece of code that performs a specific task, which can be reused throughout the program. Now we will see how to define a function. Define a function using the def keyword followed by the function name and parenthesis. This way, def function name in parenthesis we can give arguments. We'll discuss about this. Any input parameters are placed inside the parenthesis. The body of the function follows indented and it can contains the code like this. This is a function definition with the arguments. This is function body. Depends on the requirement, we can write function body. This is all for defining a function. Now how to call a function we will see. After defining a function, we can call it by simply using its name and providing the required arguments. Example, if you see, previously we have defined and now we are calling. We need to provide the name of the function. Inside, if at all, if you wanted to pass arguments, we can pass it like this. Okay, this will check it out. Open Visual Studio Code, new file. This is the function. Then this is function definition. Here we are calling the function. Now we'll check, we'll run it. Here if you see, this is a function calling. Here function definition. We'll run the program. First we'll save. We have saved and we'll run. Yeah, here if you see the function definition, this argument is passed here. Okay, here in the print function we have given hello name. The name Naveen got substituted to name, so that's why hello Naveen we can see here. Next, so we understood how to define a function and then how to call a function. Now we will talk about arguments and parameters. Parameters are the names used when defining the function. Arguments are the actual values you pass to the function when calling it. We have seen already here arguments and parameters. Okay. Again, we have positional arguments. Arguments passed in the order in which they appear in the function definition. Keyword arguments. Arguments passed by explicitly specifying the parameter name. Default arguments. Parameters that have a default value if no argument is provided. These many ways we can work on arguments. Example, if you see, introduce a function. This is a definition of the function. In the function, we have two arguments, name, age already given the value here in the definition itself. Name is one more argument, age is another argument. So in the print function, my name is whatever the name comes from definition of calling the function, it will be substituted here. And age also the same value will be substituted here. We'll check this one. We'll open new file. Then this is a definition of the function. We'll call the function introduce Mahesh. This is the function calling, call function, and this is function definition. Okay, now we'll run it. We'll check any errors are there. Introduce. Okay. Yeah, you can see the print statement, whatever it is given, name got substituted. Mahesh will be passed here. That name will be substituted here because these are the placeholders. And then age equal to 25. So here the print statement, my name is Mahesh and I am 25 years old. The same thing you can see as an output. Next, we can see return statement. Functions can return values using the return keyword. The return statement terminates the function and sends a value back to the caller. How? This is the example. Here there is a function name addition. It has two arguments x comma y. In this function definition, return x plus y there. This is the call to function. Addition is a function for the two arguments 109 comma 549. These two values will be passed to here. 109 will be passed to x, 549 passed to y. So addition program, what it will do, whatever the values come here, it will add and return the result to again back to the called function. I mean call function call. So again one variable is to take the outcome here. So result is a variable which collects the summation. Okay. Now we are printing print result. We'll check this program. We'll save it. We'll run. Here you can see the result. After adding, it returns here result. So 658. So this is for this particular return statement. Now we'll see function scope. Variables defined inside a function are local to that function. They cannot be accessed outside the function. Variables defined outside the function are global and can be accessed anywhere in the program. Example we'll see here x is equal to 10. This is a global variable. It is not inside the function. Function where it is here is the function show value definition. Here inside the function we have x is equal to 5. This is a local variable to this function. So what is there in the function? We are printing the x value. What x value will be printed? Local variable. This value will be printed. That means 5. Here call to function show value. It goes here. It prints x value. That is local variable value. After function call, we have one more statement print x. This x value will be related to global variable. This one. So it prints 10. We'll see this program also. So now we'll save it, run it. Yeah, you can see inside the function local variable value got printed, that is 5. And then after function call, if you see the program, after function call, this is a function call, this is a function definition. After function call, there is one more print statement x. This talks about global variable. What is the global variable value? 10. So here we have the result. First time 5, then second time global variable value 10. That's all for this video.